There's no competition in the lane you create for yourself. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I've helped hundreds of creative entrepreneurs and business owners to take back their free time, generate additional revenue, and celebrate while living that work from anywhere lifestyle through creating online courses and digital education. So I'm super excited that you guys are here. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Right? Let's get it. Sonia here with Jumpers. I hope you had an amazing weekend. Happy Monday to you. Let's get right into today's topic. What's going on, IG? I see you on today. YouTube, what's going on? If you're watching this on the YouTube channel, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when more episodes like this drop and we can hang out live. If you are new, welcome. I'm excited you're here. If you're returning, of course, welcome back. Okay. I'm also excited that you're here. So let's talk about it real quick on today. Competition is costing you time. Okay. Now, most people think in the traditional format of competition, you know, I'm watching somebody else, what somebody else is doing, and I'm always trying to be one step ahead, or I'm always trying to be better. Let me just give you a pro tip real quick, because I've been in this space where, you know, it's been, well, I'm not actually competing against somebody in the traditional sense, right? I'm not trying to do what it is that they're doing, but the fact that you are consistently watching somebody else means that you're always going to be one step behind. Okay. The like trying to be better, like any on the end of anything, more, right? All of those things is always going to get you one step behind, because you're constantly observing what somebody else is doing and trying to do more of it, right? Or do it better. And they're already, you know, in their lane, focused on what it is that they're focused on. And so I often say that as a reminder, is like, there is no competition in the lane that you create for yourself. You have to be who it is that you are through and through. Be an innovator, okay? Be somebody who is creating more than you are consuming. Pro tip for your courses specifically. When I first started this journey, even throughout, like, I can remember times where, you know, I was consuming all sorts of stuff, whether it be master classes, webinars. I was registering for everything. I was watching a bunch of YouTube videos, listening to podcasts, or reading books, and I was consuming so much content. And while that is a good thing, it left me a little bit of time to create. Okay. So these days I create more than I consume, and I do it because I want to be ahead of the curve. And I also want to be running my own race. I want to be in the lane that I have created for myself. I can't be out here observing, and same is true for you, whether you're creating courses, ebooks, whatever products and services you want to create and establish this year. You can't be watching what somebody else is doing and expecting to put forth your own creativity. I'm not saying that people don't bring us ideas, right, and awesome things that you know, spark these ideas and creative endeavors within us, but I'm saying, like, you should be creating more than you are consuming. Oftentimes the creation aspect, like just doing something, getting moving, getting in motion, okay, things in motion tend to stay in motion, will create the creativity, will expand the creativity that you're looking to have as you start to build and expand your business. Okay, does that make sense? So this year, I'm encouraging you to create more than you're consuming. Okay, I promise is a much better way to do it. And also, you alleviate that aspect of just doing something better than somebody else is doing it, and instead starting to innovate and cultivate your own ideas. Again, remember, pro tip, like I stated at the beginning of this, anytime there is better or more of something, like, that means that you're not actually creating. You're just trying to best somebody else's stuff. And like, they're always going to be one step ahead, because they're the creator of whatever it is you are looking at, whatever it is you are competing with. Okay. What's going on? George, it's good to see you on. I'm not sure what that means, but I hope that you're having a good day. If you're new here and you're just tuning in, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when more episodes like this drop, but also go to the beginning of this episode, and watch it from the beginning. Okay. Especially if you're looking to expand your business this year, create new products and services. It's time to start creating. Okay. More creation, less consuming. Just create more than you consume. And the other thing that I want to point out especially with regard to your courses and helping other people, is the more that you create, the more you want to help and see other people expand and step into their greatness as well. Like, it's just it's a great feeling. It's inevitable. And I feel like that creation process is really what brings that out. Okay. So create more than you are consuming this year. It's time to get it done. Stop consuming other people's stuff. Even though it may not feel like competition in the moment, it is a little bit. Subconsciously, you're trying to do better than or be more than, right? What somebody else has already created. Carve out the lane for yourself. There is no competition in the lane you create for yourself. Okay. Share this with somebody who needs to hear it. I love y'all so much. I'm off to the gym. I hope you're having an amazing start to your week. It's a brand new week, okay? Brand new day, brand new opportunity to take hold of something and do it the way that you want to do it, okay? Let's make it great. Don't wait for it to be great. Make it great. I love y'all so much. I'll catch y'all later. By the way, if you're interested in learning more about creating and starting your courses, there are free resources, okay, and paid resources over at jumpfirstacademy.org. There's a free training. It takes about 30 minutes to get through it. Bunch of resources to help you start implementing, so you start doing stuff, so you start creating, okay, and not just consuming information. That's what I'm all about. So I don't just teach it, I also walk it. So go check out jumpfirstacademy.org to get started. I love y'all so much. I can't wait to see what you create. Have an amazing day. Bye, y'all.